Immerse yourself in this 360 view that has endured for over 2,000 years. During the Qin dynasty in China, the construction of the Great Wall began. This impressive structure was conceived to protect the empire from invasions and attacks by nomadic tribes. Thousands of workers, including peasants and prisoners, participated in its construction, primarily using stone, brick, and earth. The wall stretched for thousands of kilometers, traversing mountains and valleys. Interestingly, it is believed that the total length of the wall exceeds 20,000 kilometers. Additionally, some sections are built with natural materials, such as tree branches and eggshells. Undoubtedly, this imposing structure is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the Chinese people throughout history, and it can be seen from space. Today, the Great Wall of China is one of the wonders of the world and attracts over 10 million tourists annually.